stood by thee, and vintage apple sea, till the wet waves drenched face and hair with spray. The long red fires of the dying day burned in the west, the wind piped drearily, and to the land the clamorous gulls did flee. Alas, I cried, my life is full of pain, and who can garner fruit or golden grain from these waste fields which travail ceaselessly? My nets gaped wide, with many a break and flaw. Nathless, I threw them as my final cast into the sea, and waited for the end, when lo, a sudden glory, and I saw the argent splendor of white limbs ascend, and in that joy forgot my tortured past. And to the west the wind piped drearily, and to the land the clamorous gulls did flee. Alas, I cried, my life is full of pain, and who can garner fruit or golden grain from these waste fields which travail ceaselessly? My nets gaped wide, with many a break and flaw. Nathless, I threw them as my final cast into the sea, and waited for the end, when lo, a sudden glory, and I saw the argent splendor of white limbs ascend, and in that joy forgot my tortured past, and in that joy forgot my tortured past.